Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you narration. Okay. The art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. Okay. Direct and indirect speech. He said to me, I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. Okay. He is reporter. He said to me is reporting. I shall go to Delhi tomorrow is reported speech. Okay. अब हम इसे indirect में convert करेंगे. He told me that he would go to Delhi the next day. Okay. Next he says to me, I know you. Indirect में he tells me that he knows me. फिर direct में she will say to me, I need your help. Indirect में होगा she will tell me that she needs my help. Okay. Now focus these rules. डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. डायरेक्ट स्पीच में ये होते हैं तो इनडायरेक्ट में ये इस तरह से कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. नाउ का देन हो जाता है. दिस बिकम दैट, हियर बिकम देयर, दीज बिकम दोज, दस बिकम सी, सो, इज, एगो बिकम बिफोर, आइदर बिकम थाइदर, हैंस बिकम थैंस, द डे बिफोर यस्टरडे, द डे बिफोर प्रीवियस डे, टुडे का दैट डे, टुमारो का द नेक्स्ट डे, यस्टरडे का प्रीवियस डे, लास्ट नाइट का प्रीवियस नाइट, नेक्स्ट वीक का द फॉलोइंग वीक, कम का गो, टू नाइट का दैट नाइट. ओके. Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech, when we convey the words of a person in his actual word, this is called. When we convey the words of a person in his actual words, this is called direct speech. We use inverted to mark of the exact word speaker. Okay. We use inverted commas to mark of the exact words of the speaker. Indirect speech, when we convey the words of a person without using his exact words, this is called indirect speech. Okay. Reporting is verb. It is the verb of the sentence which is outside inverted commas. Reported speech, it is the matter quoted within inverted commas when direct speech is transformed into indirect speech. Following change are made. Number 1, reporting is verb. Reported commas, tense, pronouns in the reported speech, adverb of time and place. Okay. Change of the reporting verb. In assertive sentence, the reporting verb is changed into tell or told. In interrogative sentences, the reporting verb is changed into asked or inquired of. Okay. In the imperative sentences, the reporting verb is changed into ordered, advised, requested, proposed, forbade, suggested, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. In the exclamatory sentence, the reporting verb is changed into exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with the sorrow, exclaimed with surprise, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. In optative sentence, prayers and wishes, the reporting verb is changed into wished or prayed. Okay. Removal of inverted commas. In assertive sentence, that is used in place of inverted commas. Interrogative sentence which start auxiliary verb do, did, is, are, was, were, can, may, etc. if or whether is used in place of inverted commas. Sentences start with the question words who, why, what, where, etc. Inverted commas are replaced by question word itself. Okay. In imperative sentence, to or not to is used in place of inverted commas. In exclamatory sentence, that is used in place of inverted commas. In optative sentence, that is used in place of inverted commas. Change of tense. If the reported verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech does not change. Examples: he says to me, I know you. he tells me that he knows me. She will say to me, I need your help. She will tell me that she needs my help. Okay. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of reported speech changes as direct, indirect. Simple present change into simple past, present continuous change into past continuous, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous, and simple past change into past perfect, past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Okay, and past perfect continuous, no change and no change. Okay, इधर देखो. Shall is change into should, will is change into would, may is change into might, can is change into could. Okay, and if the reported speech is a universal truth, habitual fact and historical fact, the tense of reported speech does not change. Okay, that examples, my father said to me, work is worship. My father told me that work is worship. Change of pronoun, the first person of the reported speech is changes according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person of the reported speech change according to the object of the reporting verb. Third person does not change. Remember it as first person as subject, second person o object, third person and no change. Okay, and focus now become then, here become there, ego become before, thus become so, this become that, these become those, today become that day, tomorrow become the next day, yesterday become the previous day, last night become the next before, the night before, next week become the following week. Thank you students. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy my class. All the best.